The Supreme Court will soon hear a case on whether the legal age of consent for sexual relations in India should be lowered from 18 to 16. One side argues the age should be reduced, while the central government maintains that there is no need for change. Critics warn that lowering the age could increase child sexual exploitation. Meanwhile, debates are referencing other countries where the age of consent has been lower. Until 3 years ago, the Philippines had one of the lowest ages of consent in the world, just 12 years. The result was alarming. 1 in 5 children faced extreme forms of sexual abuse. After public outrage, in 2022, the government raised the age of consent to 16. Japan too had set it at 13 since 1907. But recently revised the law amid concerns over child exploitation. In the Philippines, religion played a big role. Being a Catholic-majority country, the church insisted sex should only happen after marriage. This fueled early marriages and delayed serious debate on raising the age of consent. Opposition to contraception and sex education also meant the issue stayed buried for decades. The consequences were severe. Teenage pregnancies surged. Adult men could legally have sex with 13 or 14-year-old girls and escape punishment. By 2020, around 500 girls were becoming pregnant every day, according to the country's health ministry. The UN called the Philippines the teenage pregnancy capital of Southeast Asia. Many girls were forced to drop out of school, and maternal and child mortality rates rose. Under growing international pressure, the Philippines finally reformed its law in 2022, calling the old one outdated and dangerous because it effectively protected offenders. Japan faced similar issues, though teenage pregnancies were not as widespread. Instead, the bigger problem was rising online exploitation of minors, with offenders taking advantage of the low legal age. Globally, many countries are now moving to raise the age of consent to 18, while India is debating lowering it to 16. The core question is the brain ready at 16 to make such decisions? And what risks could lowering the age bring?